Thank you for joining us today. I'm Mike Strand from StrandVision Digital Signage. Today we're going to talk about emergency messages and how to use it. First off, we're going to log in. Next, we're going to go to Signage Pages, Emergency Message. The way the StrandVision system works is you add an emergency schedule first, and then from there you create the content that you want to play when that emergency happens. So here you can see we've got a couple different emergencies that are set up. I'm going to click on Add New Emergency Schedule, and here you can set up a name, whether it overrides all the current signage or just adds to it, a time zone for the schedule to actually activate on. The Activate on schedule lets you actually activate this emergency on a regular basis, such as once per hour for training sessions or something like that. If you leave it at never, you need to manually start the emergency, which we'll show you in a bit. You can automatically disable it after a certain number of minutes, or if you leave it at manual, you'll manually turn it off. If you want to secure this with a password, you type the password and retype it, and then that password will need to be typed in before you can activate or deactivate the emergency. At this point, I'm going to do a weather alert. Once you're done with all the settings, click Save. And at this point, you'll see our weather alert emergency schedule is here. You can also see that it will stop all the other signage and that it currently is not active and that right now it has 0 pages to it. There's also this fast link that allows you to set the link up on your cell phone so you can actually click the link to activate it, click it again to deactivate it. If you set up a password before, you do need to enter the password either when you're activating the emergency schedule manually or through the fast link. Again, since I didn't have any right now, I don't need to enter the password. Right now, if I click Activate, Deactivate, it comes up with a warning and does not activate the emergency because there's no pages assigned at this point. The way to set up pages is go to Signage Pages, Modify Pages, add a new page, select the page type, and it can be any page type that you like. At this point, I'm just going to do a fixed paragraph. I'm going to put Weather Emergency as the page name. Of course, you can set all the same settings such as screen position, duration, display group. One thing you'll notice is the playback schedule. You want to set that to the very bottom where it's got Weather Alert Emergency. This is what actually tells the system to use this page. If you want to do a start playback and stop playback, you can. Normally you want to delete the stop playback and the auto delete so that it doesn't delete ever, even if it's not played. At this point, I'm going to put in a title, Weather Emergency. And this is actually what shows up on the page. And for the paragraph content, I'm going to paste in the text from our Emergency Policies and Procedures Handbook. All of the other settings can be just as normal. We can also add in a photo. I'm going to add in an escape route photo. Click Open. And that actually sets up our page the way we want it. Click Save. And that page is now ready for activating. You can preview the page even if it's not currently active. And if you have more than one page, you can advance through just like normal. If we scroll up, you'll see that the playback schedule is pink, showing that this current emergency is not active. When you're ready to activate the emergency, you click on Emergency Message. Now you can see that there is actually one page assigned. We can activate it. Click Activate, Deactivate. It actually resets all the caches on the servers. Now if we go back to Modify Pages, you'll see that there is actually a notice saying that the following emergencies are active, and all of these pages listed on the left are actually deactivated at this point. When your emergency is done, click on Emergency Message, turn the emergency off, click Activate, Deactivate, and the emergency turns off. If you click on the fast link with your cell phone, it asks you whether you really want to activate it. When you click yes, it activates it, and when you click on it again, it'll deactivate it. So that's the basics of the emergency messaging. Obviously, this can be used for emergencies. Many of our customers also use this for special customer visits where they want to override all the signage to welcome that visitor. There's lots of other uses, so we hope you enjoy. If you have any question about this or any other digital signage topic, please give us a call at 715-235-7446. Email us at sales@strandvision.com. And if you don't have a subscription yet, visit www.strandvision.com and click the Take StrandVision for a Test Drive link on the home page. There you'll be able to create a free 30-day demo with no payment information asked. Thanks much for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.